Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is David. Yes, David oisamoje. If you are just joining for the first time, I want to say thank you for clicking through to this video. You are here to learn how to create passive income from print on demand using designs. So my channel is all about creating designs that sell, showing you how to create cool, easy to use designs that sell for print on demand sites, such sites like Redbubble, Match by Amazon, TeePublic, Teespring, Redbubble, and a lot more print on demand sites. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my other videos which I'm going to be releasing. My channel is basically about print on demand. For you guys that have been watching me, I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been super cool, super amazing. I really appreciate you guys. So yes, my video is all about designs. I have a lot of videos, so make sure you go after the video, check other videos out so that you learn for yourself cool designs you can create using a simple tool called Canva. Yes, I use canva.com. I use Canva for my designs, and I'm going to show you straight without wasting much of your time. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to canva.com. Use canva.com. I'll create a new design. Custom dimension is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard from Match by Amazon. This standard is super cool. It works on all sites, so you use this standard. If you want to create something bigger, you can create something bigger that when you upload it, you reduce it to match the other product on the print on demand site. But basically this is the standard. So now we have it opened on a new tab, and now we want to go straight into this. For this one, so we just go find a cool text. We used this text before, so we're going to find another one. We're just going to find another text. Find another text we can use for this one. So this is how I find text for myself, and I don't like to use free text. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for 30 days, so stay clue. Stay with me so that you don't miss that. I'm going to show you how to do that. Some texts are free. Yes, you can use the free ones, no problem. You can use the free ones, but me, I prefer to use premium text for my designs. I prefer to use premium text. So for this one, yeah, this is a free one, but you can use this. You can use this. So we'll just bring in into our design. I'll advise you to use Pro Text. Pro Text. Super important. But for this, I'm just gonna use this one. So this one is gonna say working. As you can see, so you see I'm trying to drag it out. So you see it was like this. So all I did was to move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button, and just drag to the right of my screen to drag it out like so. Then I'm going to reduce this again, just like that. So now we have that all set out. I'm going to click up of that. So now I'm going to move that. Okay, so you can see I can't edit the text on that, so I have to ungroup it. So I'm going to ungroup that just like so. So now I can move this one up like so, and then I can edit this cell under. So say working hustling. So I can do working ad. I can do working ad. I can do hustling. So let's just do working ad. Working real ad. can do working real hard, or we can do I'm trying to find the best way to put it. Okay, let's do simple. Simple. Yes. So now we have that. Every day I'm working simple. Yes, you already got that. That's the text that's going to be just underneath. It's going to be just underneath. Working simple. So now we have this. So now I want it like that. So let's see how that looks. So cool, this looks cool. It looks cool, not bad at all. So now we'll just go again and find another text. We're not done yet. Stick around, we are not done yet. Not done yet, so I'm just going to find another text for you guys. So now let's use this better font. Just going to drag that out, and we're going to ungroup it as usual because we don't want the font under. So we're going to get rid of the birthday, and this is one we just want to make use of. So this one is just going to say every day. You get the drill. Every day I am. So you get it. This is it. So now we have that, but I don't want it to be black, so I'm going to do Ctrl A to highlight it and change the color. I'm going to change the color. So now I don't want it to be black. I think I could just leave it on red. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so we'll just increase that a bit, turn that a bit. I would like to turn that. Okay, simple design. It says every day I am working simple. So you see, it didn't take us much time to get this done. It didn't take us much time. So you can Ctrl A to highlight all, and drag that out to make it bigger. I did Ctrl A to select all. Then I'm going to move my mouse cursor to this head, press down my left mouse click button and just drag outward, so that it's quite big and it shows well on your shirt. So that is it. As you can see, we have that showing. We have that. So now the next step is for us to get rid of this white background. It's super important you get rid of this white background. You don't need it in your design if you're serious about print on demand. Check the first link in my description. In the description of this video, click on that first link that says Canva Pro 30 days. Go immediately and sign up, and you're going to get 30 days free on Canva Pro. You're going to get Canva Pro for 30 days. You're going to be able to use premium element, premium text, and you're going to be able to get rid of this white background. Not everyone wants the white background. You'll get the drill. So now just click on download transparent background, click on download again, and it's going to prepare our downloads. As you can see, so far so good. We're just 8 minutes into this design and it didn't take us much time. So now if we go over and show ourselves the design, we're going to see what we're talking about. As you can see, very simple design, didn't take us much time. As you can see, every day I'm working simple. This is a motivational design. Simple work, passive income is a simple work if you ask me, but you have to put in the work at the beginning. Working at the beginning, resting simple on the end. That's the slogan. As you can see, we have this white back. We don't have the white background. Now we can upload this to print on demand style like Match by Amazon, Redbubble, Publicity, Spring, Society 6. And now we are leaving clients, we are leaving who are interested in this simple design to choose their colors. We don't choose colors for them. They are going to be able to choose their own color. They are going to be able to pick what they want, because we can't just decide to give them white. It's going to be good on a white shirt, and not everyone wants a white shirt. In fact, white shirt don't sell as much as the black and the other red, sometimes yellow. So you get the drill. So we don't always want to leave our designs on white and just download like that. So if you're serious about print on demand, check the first link in the description. You're definitely going to get a link. It's a gift from me to you. You get Canva Pro for 30 days. As you can see, it took us about 10 minutes to get this done and we're good to go. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist so that you get entangled with more design knowledge, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. One love.